Siders! We are the Pink Siders! Welcome to Zamboanga Peninsula! Harap na! This is Crystal Heart Salomas from the municipality of Itil. Our first destination, our famous tourist spot, which is the Buluan Island.
Zamboanga Sibugay, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, Zamboanga City.
Hi, my name is Crystal Dawn Sumbiran and I am from the municipality of Sindangan. Our destination is Chinyu Maru.
What a colorful day, and it feels so nice. Gonna feel that vibe, won't ya?
This is Meros Isortal from municipality of Tampilisan, and our third destination is Tubok Falls.
Oh, it's in the air.
Hello, I am Kisha Bernadette Boyanin.
Hi, I am Andre Denise Galicia, and we are from the municipality of Labasan. And we are proud Labasonians!
Feel it. Geez, how we love you. Geez, how we love you.